What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be doing another For Black Girls series featuring the Mented Cosmetics Make You Blush collection. So if you guys want to see what I think about these blushes, see an application and some swatches, and what I think are staples for every black girl, stay tuned. A few weeks ago, I received the Mented blushes in the mail. So I thought that it would be a perfect opportunity to do a blushes for black girls. I love blush. I didn't always love blush though. And I know that a lot of people are terrified of blush because they don't want to look sick or like too red in the cheeks. They won't look like a clown or anything. But when I tell you that these are like beginner friendly shades, they are advanced blushed shades, like you'll be so happy that you picked these up, okay? So on their website, Mented says that their blushes are blendable, buildable, and most importantly, pigmented. The Make You Blush collection allows you to sculpt and create perfectly flushed cheeks. With a touch of vitamin E, this long-lasting powder formula means the product nourishes the skin and stays put all day. As with all Mented products, the collection is vegan and cruelty-free. So like I said before, it comes in 4 shades: Pinky Promise, Peach for the Stars, Buried Away, and Clay Too Much. The first time I saw these blushes, Jay Chanel had done them, had done a review on her channel, and I was just like, I like these, I'm gonna get them. However, I was sent them, so I feel like I should tell you guys that. If I didn't get them from Mented, I would have purchased 4 of them. Don't you guys miss that? Titan just barked. Just like all the rest of Mented's products, these come in these beautiful matte black squares. This case is so, I love it. It's just so simple and understated. It's just like super, super beautiful. They are $22 and they come in 4 shades. So today we're going to be talking about the blushes that they sent me, and then we're going to do a little swatch, and then I'm going to give you guys a demo on how I put my blush on, okay? So the first one is Pinky Promise. This is a true pink with a gold shimmer. So this is super light and it'll be perfect for your everyday blush. If you just want a little bit of a flush color on your cheeks, this is perfect. And it also has a little bit of shimmer, so you don't have to go as heavy with highlight if you do highlight. Next, there's Peach for the Stars, which is a radiant shimmery peach. So Peach for the Stars is another great one. I love a black girl in peach blush or an orange blush. I think it's also really good for an everyday type of blush. You just want a little bit of color on your cheeks. And again, it has that shimmer in it, so you could use it as a highlighter if you wanted to. Then we have Buried Away. This one is probably the one that I was most excited to get. Look at that, it's like a deep, beautiful berry shade. The website says that it is a bright berry burgundy. So let's swatch this one now. Yes. All right, there we go. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Buried Away. That one is so pretty. This one is a little bit more bold, so you can do this at night. You can actually do it in the daytime too, if you have a light hand, but this is a little bit more nighttime, and it's just gonna look so gorgeous on medium to deep skin tones. Actually, all of them will. Yeah, but this will look really good on medium to deep skin tones. And then finally, we have Clay Too Much, which is a muted red. So this one would be great as a blush or a bronzer, and even depending on your skin tone, you might be able to use it as a contour. Clay Too Much is gorgeous as well. Please excuse my cut. The puppies are, well, they're right there, but the puppy's just been cutting me. So this is Clay Too Much. So we have Pinky Promise, Peach for the Stars, Buried Away, and Clay Too Much. The 4 of those blushes are so beautiful, they're so pigmented, and I feel like they could work for a range of skin tones. If you get those 4 blushes, you probably won't need any more unless you have a blush addiction like I do. But I just have a makeup addiction, so it doesn't even matter. So I will be using 3 of those 4 blushes in a demonstration now. I was trying to get all 4 of them in, but I wasn't able to do that. So I'm going to be using Clay Too Much as like a blusher bronzer. I'm gonna go over top of that with Buried Away as my actual blush, and then use Pinky Promise as my highlight. So let's start with Clay Too Much. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is my first time using these, guys. So I'm just putting this where I would normally put my blush, my bronzer. Look at that already. That looks good. That looks really good. Next, I'm going in with Buried Away as my actual blush. Pigment. And what I like about this is that you could add as little or as much. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. That looks really good. That looks really good. I am the type of person that likes to put my blush on the outside of my cheeks and not necessarily on the apples of my cheeks. And it just depends on your personal preference, but some people do definitely put it on the apples of their cheeks. Let's do the other side. I also carry my blush up to my contour too. I think it just like helps the face look warm. Oh, that looks great. That looks amazing. So this is a lot. This is a little bit. I like both of them. I can't choose. Like, I feel like they both look great. But let me even it out a little bit. All right, and then for the highlight, we're going to be using Pinky Promise. Remember, this is pink with some gold shimmer, so that it'll be perfect for a highlighter. That's so pretty. It has the subtlest pink. And there you have it. Perfect blush application with the perfect blush. So guys, if you have seen anything that you liked today, be sure to head over to the Mented Cosmetics website and pick up a blush or 3 or 4 because you will love them, I guarantee it. That's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell to become a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.